Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all doing this Labor Day? This is your fourth stimulus check update, fourth stimulus package update, and daily news report. Congress has just ended many relief programs, leaving millions of Americans at risk of falling into poverty. Please make sure to watch until the end of this video to learn how you can enter my $100 Walmart gift card giveaway. During the months of May and June, more than half of the states, all but one led by Republicans, chose to end unemployment benefits early, citing labor shortages. However, in the states that opted to terminate the unemployment assistance and emergency unemployment compensation programs early, few indicators show the move led to an increase in employment. Additionally, some states that maintained the benefits saw greater increases in employment when compared to states of similar size that cut benefits. Take Georgia and North Carolina, for example. Both states have a population of about 10.5 million. According to the Wall Street Journal, while the state of Georgia chose to end benefits in June, North Carolina did not, and the state experienced a job growth of about 3.2% compared to the 2.8% increase seen in Georgia. As of mid-August, around 9 million people claimed federal unemployment benefits through the unemployment assistance and emergency unemployment compensation programs. All U.S. states cap the number of weeks that benefits can be claimed, so the emergency unemployment compensation program was established to provide additional benefit coverage after states' limits had been expended. These programs have now ended, leaving many Americans wondering if extensions are possible in their states. There seems to be little interest on Capitol Hill to extend the programs at the federal level. The Biden administration has encouraged states experiencing high levels of unemployment to use emergency funds from the American Rescue Plan to provide benefits to those who are still out of work. States have their own reasons for not offering extensions. Some states like Arkansas have stated that they will not extend unemployment benefits as they've seen decreases in the unemployment rate. Sitting at 4.5%, the state would be remiss in recognizing that while lower than the national average, the rate is still a full percentage point higher than the figure recorded in August of 2019. In the state of Oregon, representatives from the Oregon Employment Department told CNBC News that they would be unable to provide an extension as the funds for the American Rescue Plan have already been earmarked for other priorities. The United States economy is built up upon high levels of consumer spending. When people spend money, the economy does well. When spending slows, the economy slows right there with it. So what are your thoughts on this, everyone? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. The most recent household pulse survey conducted between August 4th and August 16th by the U.S. Census Bureau found that nearly a quarter of renters reported that they were not at all confident, or maybe only slightly confident, that they would be able to pay next month's rent. Around 11% of households, 1 in 10 making under $25,000 a year, were not confident at all in their ability to pay rent next month. To support Americans on the verge of eviction, the Biden administration established a more targeted eviction moratorium to impact families. Rather than a general moratorium, the new order enacted banned evictions in specific areas of the country where cases are rapidly increasing, which likely would be exacerbated by mass evictions. However, just a few days later, the Supreme Court ruled the moratorium unconstitutional, leaving millions of households vulnerable. The 3 more liberal justices dissented, with the remaining 6 voting on the side of the Alabama Realtors Association to overturn the ban on evictions. This decision came as more than 9 million Americans were scheduled to lose their unemployment benefits, which for many were the difference between keeping a roof over their heads or being kicked to the curb. For those small landlords, Congress appropriated nearly $46 billion in rental assistance for states to support landlords and tenants. Notably, by late August, little of this money had been distributed. The government's failure to distribute these funds is not the fault of tenants. The inaction represents a policy failure for which some of the most vulnerable children and families will pay the price when they are evicted from their homes. So everyone, the key word for this video is winter. Please make sure to comment below the keyword to enter my $100 Walmart gift card giveaway.
This Labor Day, I want to recognize and thank the incredible efforts of educators and education professionals heading into the new school year. To all the teachers, principals, school counselors, custodial workers, bus drivers, nutrition workers, and everyone involved in our effort to safely reopen schools for in-person learning, you go above and beyond the call of duty each day. Of course, our collective hard work has only just begun, but together, we can meet the most fundamental needs of our students, enabling them to reach higher levels of knowledge, achievement, and success. We're going to have to continue to innovate and be flexible. We're going to have to continue to show our students our deep care for them. But as you have proven over this past year and a half, you're more than up to the task. Each day, you make a real and meaningful difference in the lives of our nation's young people. Be proud. Keep up the good work. As we celebrate American labor this weekend, we celebrate you.
This is not the first time that unemployment benefits programs have expired. The CARES Act, which was passed in March 2020, just as the crisis began, allowed for a $600 topper to be sent in addition to state benefits through July 2020. And when these additional payments ended, personal income levels dropped from around $20.3 billion to $19.7 billion. July was the first month that the first payment of the child tax credit was made, and many assumed that it might lead to an increase in personal income, similar to the spike seen after the sending of the third stimulus check in March of 2021. So everyone, do you agree that more relief should be provided to the American people? What are your thoughts on the current financial assistance that is available right now to many Americans? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Please enter my giveaway by subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and also commenting below the keyword of the day. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a very blessed Labor Day.